Is Ethereum going back to all-time high? Well, it all depends on Tether. Tether has been around for quite a long while. Over the 7 years I've been investing, it has popped up quite a few times. For those who don't know, Tether is a cryptocurrency, one of the first stable coins basically that was designed to have a one-to-one exchange rate with the US dollar. And Tether is incredibly important for Ethereum and all other cryptocurrencies. Let me show you why on this incredible chart. This is Crypto Compare, and it's a very good website where you can see the money flowing into Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. I'm gonna show you Bitcoin in just 1 second, but then what's really interesting is that it shows the money, as I said, that goes into Ethereum, and most of it, this is over 50%, and this is Tether. This is over the last 24 hours, but it's always been like this over the years that I've been investing in crypto and stocks. And to be honest, many other YouTubers support this theory that actually cryptocurrencies are mostly pumped by Tether. And just for clarification, the same goes for Bitcoin. If I scroll down and we look at the same exact thing, 56% of the money going in is Tether. And so it's quite simple. There is a very strong connection between Tether and all other cryptocurrencies. Now, this is very important to understand, and I'm gonna show you a chart that is showing everything you need to know. Now, this is the market cap of Tether, and this is this blue line versus the price of Ethereum on Coinbase. When the market cap of Tether goes up, and basically means that more Tether is printed, and basically you just look at this whole thing when we had the massive run starting from 2020, well, that is when also crypto follow along. Ethereum is obviously one of them. Conversely, when there is stagnation, and we are looking at the last few months, when there is no more Tether being printed, that is when crypto starts falling. Basically, this is what we see here on this last bit. From when we had the crypto crash, we saw that the amount of Tether being printed just started stalling a little bit, and it actually completely came to a screeching halt on the 10th of July, and it hasn't moved ever since. Now, in 2017, when we had the big crypto crash, we saw exactly the same thing, with Tether actually not being printed anymore, and with Bitcoin and all other cryptocurrencies going into the toilet. And also, historically speaking, if you just look at the price action, so as you can see, we are now up, and it looks like some kind of pattern that we saw in the past as well. So if you scroll, this is again, by the way, Ethereum and US dollar. If we scroll back, we see that something very similar happened in 2018. We went all the way up to $1,400. Then we had this bounce up that wasn't as high as the all-time high. Same thing happened again. So we went down and we bounced back up, and it then happened again. As you can see, it happened multiple times. These bounces happened multiple times, and it was obviously very painful to see through, but it was very interesting to notice that all of that was because of Tether not being printed basically. And at the time of recording, Tether, the company producing this coin, is actually under a lot of pressure. And so I wanted to give you an update, because when this thing blows over, that is going to be when we're gonna see an actual crypto bull run all the way to all-time high and above. And this is the latest update. And by the way, subscribe if you want to stay up to date on this story and for when I'm gonna buy my cryptocurrencies, because at the moment I'm not really buying a lot. So the creator of popular stablecoin, and they're talking about Tether, has faced pressure to explain where it keeps the 62 billion of reserves back in the digital currency, because as I told at the beginning, there has to be $1 for each Tether coin. So as you can see, they say they keep their reserve held in investment grade commercial paper. And so the whole Tether story is unfolding as we speak, and everything can change at any time, because if Tether goes down, the whole crypto market will go down. Click on this video that YouTube thinks you will like, and I'll see you there. Oh my god, the 2018 crash was so bad.